What's up guys? Today we're gonna be working on the Scion XB, and as you can see behind me, I got these fresh new wheels that I picked up for a steal yesterday. A couple months back, I came across these wheels called Lexani luxury wheels, and someone put them up on the Facebook marketplace for $100 for the whole set of 4, which were wrapped in needles, and I slept, okay? I tried to haggle the price down and tried to push it to pick it up on the weekend, and 10 minutes later the person who was selling the wheels actually told me that someone just picked them up. So that's what happens when you guys hesitate. Anyways, yesterday I was randomly on the Facebook marketplace doing the same thing, just randomly searching 4x100 wheels, and these Lexani luxury wheels popped up. So without hesitation this time, I'm just like, yo, please put it sold. I'll pick those up ASAP. And yeah, they were kind enough to drop it off for an extra delivery fee, which I'm totally cool with because time is a valuable thing these days. And here we are. Okay, so today's plan really is to well, first off, we're gonna be test fitting these, but we're also planning on rewrapping the XB because this black was the winter wrap and it's gone through some stuff. So we're gonna take off the black and we're gonna leave the wrapping to the professionals, custom decals, which is like a couple doors down, and they're gonna help me rewrap it a new color scheme, which is a little more fitting for the KMR theme. So all of this black is gonna be taken off. Hopefully today, that is the plan. Take off the Thule cargo box and we'll test wrap it with the new color we've chosen. Damn man, that's gonna look intense. So shiny. Except I had no idea that these diamond things came off. I have seen one other XB, and it's actually green too, that rocked these wheels, and they painted these diamond things green. I just had no idea they came off. Now I'm looking at it, I see that one is missing, but that's okay. Alright, so these guys are actually working on a subwoofer install on this Mazda 3. So while they're doing that, I'll just do my chores and stuff. And we actually got YYC headlight restorations here, helping me pretty up these headlights, or fog lights I should say. You can kind of see that they're a little yellowish tinge. Yeah, the goal is to get them clear again, eh? Oh yeah. Appreciate it, man, thank you. So it's the same one that worked on the FRS headlights actually. And my plan is to keep the Scion XB here while it's getting rewrapped. Brought the Lexani wheels inside. Man, they look like snowflakes. That's what they remind me of. Super icy. And also, like Midnight Club Dub Edition style. Super VIP, I think. It's gonna look so sick. So yeah, once these guys finish up, we'll bring the XB inside and we'll test fit these wheels. Go home, what do you think, homie? He licked them. Chrome wheels were like a thing of the past, but I think they're slowly coming back now. You know what? I've decided. We'll start with the cargo box, bring it inside, and we'll just start wrapping because we got a lot of work ahead of us. Lego. So taking this thing off is really easy too. Well, to hook it onto the roof bars, all you have to do is tighten it until you hear a click. Once you see that these are loose enough, should be good. Might need someone's help for this part. Like that. Awesome, dude. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, no worries. Do you want to take this inside or?
Yeah. Woo! Looks longer on camera. Yeah, just right there, if you don't mind, boys. There's a dog right below you. Here, I'll swing by. Make sure he doesn't go out. Thank you.
Because like that was my concern. I wasn't worried about the yellow stuff.
Yeah. Well, it already looks pretty clear here. Yo, hook these guys up with super shirts. Super shirts for everybody. Nah, I'm trying for the Tuner Cult Super giveaway, okay? And I'm testing out their detailing kit. You're already wearing the shirt. Sick.
Looks good, right?
Yeah. Tuner Cult. Actually, that's pretty much what it looks like, but that's the 8081. Alright, time to test this stuff out. Tuner Cult, I trust in your product. Oh, damn it. Try to.
I Why you talking in code? No reason. Why you got me on hold? I'm beeping.
Dude, it is hot here. Alright, the color is no surprise. I'm just gonna be using some leftover Kelly green. Alright, voila. I don't even think I have enough, but this should be enough for at least the cargo box. I'm gonna leave some parts black still, just so it follows that black and green theme. And they made it easy on this box. That's why I went with the XT model specifically. It's because it looks aggressive. We were calling it a JDM casket, or a JDM inspired coffin. It's pretty much what it looks like. Die in style.
I need something like a blank check. Spending a lot of emotion on tonight. Don't you hit me with a rage, but I don't wanna wait. My time is of the essence, don't you know? If you give me a day, believe me when I say that I could be the presence that you want. So tell me you got it right now. Oh, you got it all right now. How? Tell me you got it right now. Now. Yeah, tell me you got it right.
Sweet. Finished up with the headlights, and they are way more clear than what they looked like before. Good job, man. Appreciate it. Thanks. Yeah, looks so much better, dude. Damn. It almost is the same color as these. The plan was not to run spacers with these wheels because I think they're actually wide enough. But we'll see what they look like with them anyway. Damn. Alright, you know what? We definitely can go lower. I thought having a thinner tire profile and a bigger wheel size would actually fit the wheel well, but nah, we can go way lower. I doubt I'll rub, but I'll take the spacers off anyway because I want to rock these wheels. And down the line, we were thinking of picking up an airlift system for this car anyway, so, but there you guys go. Woo! That is crazy. Ace. That is sick. Just want to see what the wheels look like. We can probably start unwrapping now. Want to see what the wheels look like? Pretty cool, huh? Or is it dinner time? I DoorDashed some McDonald's, so probably gonna eat and make this kid dinner upstairs. Just want to see what the wheels look like, so we can probably start unwrapping now.
Can I feel nostalgic? Snow dripping like faucets.
Back to beige. It actually looks cool with a black bumper though. Actually no, now it reminds me of one of those like front bumper bras or the hood bras that go right here. Alright, Gohan, you ready to go home? Go on, Chan. Ready to go home? Yeah. Ready to go in the FRS? Yay! Alright. Come on, Gohan. You got it. Up. Come on, Gohan. In, please. Up. Yeah! It is hot. And I was gonna say, I'll turn my AC on for you, Gohan, but unfortunately, this thing doesn't have AC. This car. Oh, you guys deserve FRS content. Thank you, Sonny, for this. I hear something. Well, I'll take it slow. What am I even doing trying to push this thing? I got the Supra for that. FRS is back on the streets, boys and gals. I appreciate any girls watching my channel, okay? That's pretty cool. But you know what? We're living in an androgynous world where everybody is half feminine and all the women are half man, you know what I mean. Man, oh, it feels so nice to drive this thing again. All right. I had to pull over to double check that nothing was gonna fall off, because I'm kind of sketching, man. I heard noises. Yo, how are you, buddy? I forgot to tighten this. Damn, there's just way too many bolts and screws and nuts. Just make sure nothing's gonna fly off on me on the highway. Yeah, I think we're okay, man. Honestly, I trust. When I was putting this thing back together, I was pretty thorough. So we'll see what happens. It's only like a 15-minute trek to home. This guy's loving it. I think we're gonna take a small detour. Go on, wanna go to the off-leash? It's gonna rain though, homie. So many doggies. Come on, papa. Hey, one sec. You free, okay? But you gotta chill. Look at all your friends. Man, go on's gone. Hi. This one's play mode. Why, he ran off by himself. The fool! Hey, I saw that! I didn't bring any plastic bags. Go on. Hey, what do you have to say for yourself? I gotta borrow some plastic now. Go on. Come here. Hey! Oh, but that FRS though. This way. Up, come on. Here. I'm gonna release you on that side. Alright? Oh, guys, it feels so good to be driving this thing again. Look at the slaughter fest over here, man. Okay, you're released. And nothing fell off. Looks so good. And these turned out, man. DIY acrylic end plates. Alright, go on. Thanks for being so patient, man. Staying at the garage with me all day. You can go say hi to Shane, okay? There. Alright, you know what? Now I got this perfect opportunity where both the FRS and the Supra are home. I'm gonna set them up on the driveway and do a mini photo shoot. That should be okay. Cool. We'll see what this looks like. Bad. I'm not the best at composing pictures, okay? Especially car photos. I always take it at the same angle, at the same spot, at like eye level. I suck. I'm gonna put these down for now. Just for the photo. Okay. Better. All right, we're done. Yeah. Dude, it's mosquito seasons. And it rained like all week last week, which means they like multiplied by 10 during the weekend. Okay, whew, it's too hot. Yeah, I'm gonna rearrange these. I think I'm actually gonna be keeping the FRS inside the garage, not the Supra. And Shane has the other side of the garage for his Mustang. It's either or, okay? And right now, I care a little more about keeping the FRS clean. The Supra is okay, it's fully PPF. So this takes priority. That'll go in the garage. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video though.